Well, off to a pretty quiet start after a nice day yesterday with temperatures in the low to mid 70s in a lot of places. We're going to cool a little bit today and definitely going to be more clouds. They're just starting to roll in now out of the northwest. And looking out for our Bellingham Tower cam, you see they're starting to move in. They're not a solid deck quite yet, but it will get there. Taking a look at the shot there, Everett, you can see the clouds starting to move in, but you can still kind of make out the silhouette of the Cascades out in the distance. We might be able to sneak a few rays of sunshine underneath those clouds before we cloud over entirely early this morning. Looking south away from the approaching storm, not looking quite as threatening, except for the fact we've got a cap cloud on Mount Rainier and a couple of lenticular clouds out there, a sign that we've got a weather system somewhere nearby. It's not much of a weather system, but the effects of it can spread out, and Rainier is a good sampler. It's kind of like sticking your finger out into a stream or something to tells you that there is some moisture up there. Take a look at Wishkah Valley School there in Aberdeen, just to the north of Aberdeen. We've got clouds just beginning to edge in there. Otherwise, they have clear skies right now. Off to a pretty good start. Checking the pollen count from Northwest Asthma and Allergy yesterday. A little bit warmer temperatures. The pollen count, well, it stayed the same for trees in the low range and weeds in the moderate range, but grasses went from low to moderate between Wednesday and Thursday. So people who suffer from grass pollen allergies probably didn't have as good of a day as the day before. Checking temperatures this morning, you can see the difference between north and south. South, we've been clear all night, still clear and cooled. Upper 40s and low 50s most spots. In fact, Windlock and Tenino down into the mid 40s. Up to the north, we've got mid to upper 50s most spots, so a little bit warmer start. Checking the satellite image, you can see this front moving down the Vancouver Island. Again, not a whole lot to it. It's weakening as it approaches us. It is going to spread the clouds in. We'll get a few showers around this afternoon. Quantities are going to be generally pretty light, though, it looks like. A little bit of moisture from that will linger into tomorrow, so it's going to be a partly sunny day with maybe a couple showers around. Shouldn't be a bad day. Today, we'll cool off a few degrees and then a few degrees more as we head on towards Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday, another stronger system is going to drop down over us. That is going to bring in some cooler air with quite a few showers around, maybe a few sunbreaks mixed in. And there is a chance we could see an afternoon thunderstorm. Checking those temperatures for this afternoon, you see we do definitely cool off. From Everett northward, look for mostly mid to maybe upper 60s, and then south of Everett, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. Still a pretty good start to the weekend overall. And then as we head into Saturday, we're going to see those temperatures continue to cool, upper 50s and low to mid 60s for the highs. As we head into Father's Day itself, we'll be looking for that chance of showers, maybe an afternoon thunderstorm possible, and high temperatures only in the upper 50s to right near 60 degrees. We'll rebound a little bit for the Juneteenth holiday on Monday into the low 60s. It's just a couple showers. Showers pick back up again on Tuesday for the last full day of spring, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. And then for the first day of summer, might see a shower, might not actually. There's not much going on that day. Starting to warm back up again into the upper 60s, low 70s Thursday. And as we look towards that first weekend of summer, looks like it's going to warm up nicely. It should be partly to mostly sunny and highs getting into the mid 70s.